that's it I say. I want some youth. And think them can't tell me for fool. I want thing I want to tell them, you know. I'm me rule. When you love a man, he takes you for granted. At times it make you feel not wanted. When you love him, you play with your heart. Sometimes you just have to stay apart. It was easy for me to love you, so easy to look in your eyes. Even easy for you to hurt me, and so easy to ignore my cry. I don't wanna lose you. You're a part of my being, but how can I survive when you're so mean? I just wanna tell you, I can't take it anymore. You had me, baby. Now let me not pet no guy, me not give them no blood. I try to look simple, me not pet people. You want your food to cook, your clothes to wash. When month end come, have a let off the cash. Romance are the thing when me take serious. If you find the fool, then money come first. I'm not there for playing a fool. My youth a me role. I don't wanna lose you. You're a part of my being, but how can I survive when you're so mean? I just wanna tell you, I can't take it anymore. You had me, baby. Now let me go. It was easy to walk away, so easy to despair, so easy to forget you as if you weren't there. It was easy to walk away, yet so hard to let you go, especially at times like
Good morning, Sue. Yes, Sue. 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 I'm coming out of the room, Sue. Sue, Sue. Yes. No, Sue. Listen to me, Sue. Sue, you cannot cancel the flight. Tell the passenger I'm coming to work. Sue, you can't cancel.
Well, tell me something. Jooky, I can't sleep in peace. What happened? May I step on a car, rest in peace? Why are you disturbing us? Jooky, why are you disturbing us?
Papa! What is the matter?
Hi, you work with Cancel Airline?
What is it?
I ask you, you work with Cancel Airline?
But
Every man in the pan, don't cancel. Yes, I work with this good thing, Mitch. You,
what?
I remember when you used to work for the best airline, Air Jamaica. When Jooky took off and Jooky land, everybody clapped. But through woman, you lost your job. Through woman. After they said you go England, you go to London. England and London are two different countries.
Papa, you hear what the Bible says? Parents, don't provoke your children to wrath.
So yeah. Jooky,
Continue.
I threaten me.
Of course, Papa.
Jooky, I threaten me.
Yes, Papa.
Wait until your brother come here.
Wait until who?
Your brother come here.
Papa, listen to me. You see, if you see a coffin that you like, bring him come here, son. You know, I am convinced, Papa. I am convinced about you. And that's why no woman at Kingston wants you.
No, darling, you know what I mean? You're no good man, go along. Nothing wrong, you don't want me. Nothing wrong. Birdie now refuse me. Birdie now ask where me I go. And Birdie now ask where me I come from. Much less Birdie now give me bun. You're going to come out here.
Come on to what?
Come
on to what, Papa?
Just wait and tell my Adam where I come here. If you witness coming here. And wait and tell him came here.
No problem. I tell you already. I'm too late for. I want the cash.
You're late for?
I want the key. I want the key.
Oh.
I want the key.
Oh. How would that?
Bowes. James Bowes. Shebada, Mr. Bashment. I want to give you some.
come from poor house or arms house, go back. No space there for you.
What's up, ugly bride, old money? Hey! Even everybody money, we never live in a long time ago. Besides, it's
Anything come free, come with wounded. Me rotted, Shebada. I bleach.
You have a problem with that? If you did not bleach your cow skin, will look good.
Hi. So where you get them the two back?
One child that man give me them for drop up here.
Me rotted. I'm a boy. I'm a son. I'm a son I come. Hey, Shebada. Take one stone and kill two birds. You move in one son, move out the other.
So, Jooky, you have a job for me too?
You know nothing about me, boy. You know who you chat to?
Jooky, be here.
You know who you chat to?
Jooky, be here.
Hi, Trevor.
Yeah.
Meet your other brother.
Oh no! It could never be my brother. The looks at him in my midnight. I am dead.
Pops,
Yes, my son.
you saved me at midnight.
Yes, my son.
I in my daylight.
Yeah.
At night time, I never sleep there.
Baba, Somerset, oh. Behave yourself, come to ramp with my head.
So, Pops,
Eh?
which part me I go sleep?
You can use my bed over there, son.
And which part daylight I go sleep?
Well, in can go and shining and barrel.
Any boy have a problem with that talk to my gun.
Oh! So you bring gun man inside here, so you take me afraid of him gun, Popper. You take me afraid of him gun. Watch me, Popper. You gonna show me, you gonna show
Hold on,
me.
Pops.
Eh?
Who want me to say I sleep, sir?
Or you want to sleep with them, man? You want?
I'll show you something. Popper, you going to come crawl and lean on my shoulder.
I'm done with you. See my boy come, I'm done with me finish, I'm done with you.
No problem.
Your chapter closed.
No problem, Papa. Never show you.
Hey, Pops.
Yes, my son.
This will do.
Yes, my son.
Hey, Pops.
Eh?
I have a surprise for you, see?
That's what I say.
What?
Good boy.
I have a surprise for you.
Good boy.
A window. Slam door in my face in my house.
I'm a good boy, man. Hey! Jooky, if you ever lick your stepmother, apologize to her, you damn fool.
I'm going to show you something.
Show me something. Show me something you can't show me. How will you look for?
What?
Me hide that.
What?
Me hide that. Watch it. If you watch yourself,
Let me show you something.
wait. Try it. Try it now.
I just show you I'm a father, I don't want to urge you to pop her.
I'll just see
When you see him, a war he just declared in my house.
War? War you just declare? It's alright. Me must win.
What is happening?
Hi, Shebada. Look at this. If you have two sons, right? One like that and one like this. And the two of them, the one where they are. He never say well then he has a surprise you. And the other one come and surprise you. And if the other one has surprise you and the other one then has surprise you. What you do?
Don't mix me. house.
It's all right. So what a surprise I have for me there? See them? Then Trevor, who this?
I'm a girl.
Morning, Miguel. How do you do? Miguel now look at me. Hi, Trevor, that one look good. That one you pretty no bitch. Could he eye them? Hey, the eye them pretty no. A real pussy eye them, yeah. Darling, I'm going to set up your bubble bath. Yes, bubble bath. Shebada, use of good as soap powder.
Hey, girl. You meet my family already? I'm a father and my brother. You know what this?
Trevor, what do you mean, boy, make me?
Hi. Man, you are raised the best, my father place, you know.
What do you mean, man, may raise my voice, see? Imagine, you tell me I can't got some 5-star hotel.
Hi, don't worry. I got a 1-star hotel.
Alright, you go and talk. Go and talk and I take a glass of buzz up your face.
Hold on. Trevor threatened you just threatened me a while ago.
You don't know me.
You know what? I bet you all know step on the whole house because me gone about my business. As a matter of fact, you bug boy over there, so please don't get the things I'm out of the room and come take it to the car like now.
Jesus! Is who you call bad boy Pepto-Bismol? Hey girl, you know we are on when you say you do. Just dismiss your shape.
Sweet. Trevor, at them embarrassments you come up every face. You know what? Not to worry. I will take my things and leave.
Hey, girl, come here. Let me tell you something. Me and you forever, me decide when we ever done. Sit down.
I can see you are upset. And when a woman is upset, you gotta tone him down. Oh, baby. Sweetie.
Yo, Pops, what do you do? Yeah, man, what's that?
No, man, if I tell the trainer everything
Of course, no problem. Dad, listen, Pops. I will fix it.
This one, listen, he comes.
Sorry, man.
You don't worry about it. All right, straight outside the road.
Don't worry. Some calm, meal and cursing are gonna work on him belly.
He does money. I will start to Hey, girl. Do so.
Bye, Mr. Bashment.
Bye.
And by you over there.
Oh my gosh! She kisses me! You know what? Me now wanna go walk.
Jooky, I don't like the looks of the girl there.
Popper, I don't like the looks of the boy there.
Hello? Hi, baby. Hi. Shh. No, baby, I tried to call you yesterday. But the woman on the phone said got it done. And then my father says, hey, you send the money? I tell you doctor cut off my father foot. Yes, because I got him up on 1 foot. Doctor cut off the right one, the left foot. Oh, you send the money? How much money you send? 20. Hey, you're going to send 20 more because Dr. Son could have the next foot. I'll call you back.
Baby, I couldn't come inside the room, come keep the company. You stay so bad.
Aye.
Trevor?
Aye.
No, man. No. You mean every time you see a still vex over the foolishness, man? What make you behaving like this? Baby, you know, some never really know the situation early, because I want to behave the way I behaved earlier. Trevor just...
Angel, what you want?
Sweet. May I want something to talk to my man?
Angel, what do you want?
Well, I never really didn't want nothing, but you remember the promise we didn't make the other day?
No.
Trev, you don't remember the little promise?
No.
You don't remember 2 weeks ago when you promised to buy me the Lamborghini?
No. Angel, how much for a Lamborghini?
About $6 million.
$6 million?
Well, 6.5 to be exact.
6 6.5 million for one car. This a car must have TV, fridge, and stove and bed.
No. So, Trevor, why you behaving this way, eh? I don't worth it?
Of course. You work down to the wheel drive pan. 6.5 million for one car. For one car. Hey, make I ask you one question before we go to this car thing. You hear me I say?
Question?
Yes.
Oh.
Last night, me got club. After me pay gun up in the club, you don't see the start to this little Rasta boy I owe him.
You mean Beanie? Me and him are just friends.
Just friends?
Yeah.
Well, Angel, let me tell you, Misty. Me don't want to see my girl talk to no man entertainer. No Beanie, no Bounty, no Cartel, no Alliance. Right now, me don't want to see her talk to Cecile.
No. But Trevor, why you behaving like this, eh?
Because you just asked me to buy a $6.5 million car.
But baby, you know, so you don't have nothing to worry about.
Me not worry about every Angel. Every time I go, I feel insecure. Me can't go there and talk to man. Me come here and introduce to the family and kiss and my brother.
Trev, you know you have no need to be insecure. Because everybody knows that Angel can be trusted.
What is that?
You say you can't trust me.
I see something about you think as well.
I'm going in the kitchen to wash and clean them, alright?
What do you want?
May I wash up the dishes?
Hey, this is a girl who must want that lavatory. Can you wash plate? May I broke them? 6.5 million for one car for one. What's a girl like you? Okay. One figure 6.5 million for. Hey, if me have 6.5 million, I have 6.5 million girl. Hey, Angel, you can't take one of the cherry juke you then cheap, you know. And they come in all different type of colors. 6.5 million for one car. For one girl. You know, a woman like to make man teeth. 6.5 million for one girl. For one girl. me have 2 girls. $6.5 million for 1 year. For 1 year. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, baby.
Hi, sugar. What's up, darling?
Not much.
Wow, it's refreshing to hear your voice now, you know?
It's nice to hear your voice, too.
Good. It's a lucky thing you called me in the right time, baby. Is everything all right down in Jamaica? Baby?
Miss B,
Yes, darling?
up here problem.
What is it this time? The police locked you up again?
No.
What is wrong with you?
I'm a grandmother.
What is wrong? Is she dead?
No, it's worse than that.
What could be worse than that now, baby?
Miss B,
Yes, sugar?
me just a come from doctor with my grandmother. And the doctor said my grandmother sick bad.
What does she sick with?
Sick with?
What is wrong with her arm?
The doctor says she's sick with her heart.
Uh-oh, that must be serious then.
Very serious kind. Doctor says she can want a brand new heart. Miss B,
Yes, baby.
I don't know if I find the first cent from. The doctor said the heart will cost $200,000 US.
That's quite a lot, you know.
Yes, 12.5 million Jamaica dollar.
Don't worry, baby, don't worry. You will break yourself down.
Me break down already. Miss B,
Yes, baby.
I don't know if I find the first cent from.
Baby, I said don't worry. Don't cry now, you know. Please, don't cry. Baby, I said don't cry. I will send the money for you. Baby, I will send you the money.
What? What is it?
I said I will send the money for you.
You're gonna send the money?
Yes, sugar.
When?
As soon as I hung the phone up.
So hang the phone up now. You know what? You better call one more girl.
Trev,
Hey.
you alright?
Yes. Just go and talk to my grandmother.
You get tired.
Yeah. So she have to move the election. And baby,
What?
tomorrow morning, I'm going to buy you a car.
So we're really gonna care tomorrow morning?
Well, not a car, a Lamborghini.
You know, I said I love you so much, baby.
That's why I have to love you too much. You're my little angel, my Santa Barbara. You make me feel so young and reckless. I want to spend all the days of my life with you and be passionate and make enough generations. But if you give me one general hospital, I'll pick you up.
Lamborghini. I have to cash money. You tell her what I want. Why have to swear me up in the since I drive my Lambo. What a No, man, no. Gosh, money.
Hey! I want to get them dirty people out there so long they're around with. They're not promoting me now. Grab them by the Trevor! Now the floor, Trevor! Grab me a Trevor when there! Hey, diarrhea by the boy! When there! Trevor!
So wait, you leave me up?
Hey, girl, where man?
But you know you're rude. You can't come from home, come ask my man like that. You can must learn manners.
Achoo.
Right.
Sorry, sweetheart. My apology,
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Little girl! Where the people are, man? Hey, girl! I don't work at 9 to 5. When we work, we must get more money. Talk to me what the people are proud
Just
of.
stop asking because I look like some me owe you something.
And then me like an idiot stand up and argue the candle when they like me or anything.
What up, how what? Where you go? What did the boy? What did
God knows this girl and I watch the news.
You should have made your foot touch me.
That could be arranged.
I don't know what kind of grass is this in trouble let me do it. I would never be the Hiltons.
Help a girl. You don't get the door knock.
Not another night for this house. Not another night.
You know you're like you don't know your duty. You just come here and leave quick. Watch it. Are you what?
Hey boy, give it up.
Touch it.
Take it up.
Yo! Yo! Back up, back up, back up. Hey, I will. Watch out! Hey, boy, will lick some wild shots, you know? Hey, yeah, no shot, no demo. I will shoot out the cock feed them. My God, let me ask you a question. You not tired with thief?
Who, me?
No, me. Hey, yeah, but you never black you.
Who, me?
No, me. Come on, one and give me a search. You can't feel the same as me. Hey, boy, I soon dealt with you.
You try, hurry up.
You think you can bribe me? Put that up, sir.
Officer.
Put that behind it. Don't worry yourself. I didn't do that by searching. Oi. Oi. Where the one people in cable? Where you do? You back? Hey boy, you damn crazy son. You see your damn gun? You might not put money people in cable. You know what? Hey boy, watch this.
Behave yourself.
I drew me a big man. I wasn't going to lick you because I don't know where to lick you. Anyway, do me a flavor. Go on the wall and give me a search now.
Officer, do assault me. Do assault me, officer, do assault me. I do my rights. If you want to search police like a police, just ask for help.
My youth. You think assault come out of this? A bullet. I just see next time I make you pick up on the wall. I will kick your fan.
Search you want? Search you again. Hey girl, me and you got Fort Augustus together.
Hey! You're a man or you're a woman?
Officer, the death on the
Listen, instead of sending the money, I am coming to Jamaica. I will be coming to Jamaica.
Bashment, me here today and my back broke. Give me a doctor. If you bring your back broke, you know what doctor? Bashment, now you come look for. Only a commissioner. Bashment, are you my inspector? Bashment, are you come look for, you know? Bashment, you get partner money. I'm saying I can't want $20. Come here, I can buy some clothes. You are careful. You are careful. Alright. So Bashment, you are careful $20 come give me. Thank you. How do you want me to get him? Thank you. Bashment, they ain't a 45. Anywhere 45. Bashment, yeah? I'm not that man. If you give me a bar from the back, man. Bashment, come today, come now. I said, me knock the door. I'm not coming. I'm coming to the boy and stand the door. Bashment, I'm in the door in the cover next door from my back. Oh, yes, my door? Yes, Bashment. So how intact you? I mean, put two command pin. Maybe two near. I mean, near the top with two near, Bashment. Bashment, it's that I'm going to come back in here. Bad family. So I'm going to your house, bar naked, Bashment. In my house? Naked? In the house, Bashment. You're going to like your balcony in the house in your house. Bashment, you sweat on me, make the girl a search. Bashment, she wasn't so bad. But you see the boy? Bashment, he take half an hour to go up on the wall. And when the boy go up on the wall, see the boy a Bashment. Oh yes, Bashment. I know I put him on the wall, you know. But I'm back, we're going to have my face in the Bashment. Bashment. You say the man pick me all the money when I come over for come here. The girl rob me, Bashment. What true you talking, sir? Bashment, look in me eye. You see me I tell a lie? No, police don't tell a lie. Never stop me. Why may I tell you something?
Mr. Bashment.
Yes, darling.
You when Trevor come back?
Yes, dear.
Tell him to go around and Tracy to pick up the bag, alright?
Alright.
Alright, thanks.
Okay. You didn't see, you didn't hear anything?
And another thing. You see that big, no sweet policeman over there, so? May I beg you please tell him who I am, because I am no criminal.
Hey, girl, say every time I pardon.
Like your uniform.
Oh, wait.
Shebada!
I'm so foxy.
Come to the friend, we're ready. We're ready.
Shut one some and trust your spend.
Come.
Mr. Bashment.
Yes, Mr.
Lord of the Rings still there?
Hold on.
Where come the name to the man name?
I don't call the name.
You know, if you're a big man, you mix up. You come like get to bedroom.
You know something I call him thing? I don't call the name thing. All I say, I hope your name nothing can stand there for Jenny on me town. That's all I'm saying to you. Hey, Bashment, you the application to no boy. Here what? Lock your ear and I go show him. No! You can't, how you gonna do that? Yeah. Hey, Bashment, you know see the boy back going off away. You can't. Which way? Wait there. Bashment, look at that shoot. If I say I shoot out, you know. No,
Police are come. Shoot me. Shoot me, officer.
Everyone, shoot me.
Shoot me.
Everyone.
Leave him alone.
Where would I go? ovaries. Officer, today I know you're there. Today's just not your day. I did. Officer, you're a lottie. Officer, you're a lottie. You won't be so lottie when I get back. No. I'll tell you, look how you have said that should be wrong. You should have... Why my clitoris? No. Oh God. You're suffering from strokes. Hey, officer, it's a rotty kick you get still, you know. I never know. Shebada kick you. Hey, Bashment. Woo! Me home. Hey, no. Tell her. No boy.
Bashment.
Eh? So,
If you say one more thing, I'll make you swallow this.
oh! So you couldn't manage Shebada and be a strength for officer. You're a lottie.
I want big me in one.
Eh,
Who laugh last?
I say go.
Laugh best.
Eh,
Bashment, you look saying you can't catch Harry.
catch a shot. Me know that's it.
Come on, me shot.
Oh! I feel the shot instead of government shot. Let it go.
Hey, Bashment, you know me never have no partner money this morning.
Me know lie here tell.
You know, so I said the commissioner. Bashment, I be like you, me don't laugh. You know, so I prison, me come to prison, you.
No, this serious. No, hold on. This serious now.
Yeah, man, it's serious.
You come for prison before?
Yes, man. Bashment, honestly, I'm 35 years, I'm in the force, I know me not get a stripe, you know.
Oh.
Actually, like when I'm born, if I friend me, I start from you.
Oh, so you're in prison me?
Yes,
to get
man.
a stripe.
Yeah.
You know, I'm so
Bashment,
lucky.
you make this thing, you know. I tell me 10 life for you down a station, you know.
What we are saying?
Tell me 10 life for you, so you have to know, you're going to that prison. But before me can go lock you, I have to know what kind of work you do.
Me right, that what it. Officer, you don't look at me and ask what kind of work. Darling, my woman, tell you what kind of work. Go, tell you what. I am an entrepreneur. I buy and I sell.
Bashment, let me ask you a question. The two people that I left to go wild. I buy them or I sell them.
Whatever.
Try get clever. Bashment, you know this man before I left out that station. Yeah, this is the DC police boy. You know, Bashment, you live up a top road. One of the biggest bisexual I community.
No.
Bashment, tell me true, you're bisexual?
Officer, you better look, so don't look for me. You, me not believe what you say.
A serious thing, man. Round table talk down the station. So you're
I don't buy sexual. I don't buy sexual. I pay for it. And if I can't pay for it, I trust it. Not true, darling.
Bashment, you're not that big and bold. A man at your age, do you think you can stand up to it?
I want to be one. Tell him now. Hey, you see me? Officer, you see me? If me can't stand up to it, I face up to it. I tell you, I saw my friend watching you say, hey, officer, you see the woman on the fence, eh? When I say, face up to it, you know, again for me.
Yeah. You see?
Officer. No, Officer Banks because I can't face up to it. Officer. No, between me and you. Oh, you think I am so successful? Oh, you think I am so successful? To be successful, first, you have to succeed. Officer, every successful man in life, listen, every successful man in life have to get ahead in life. Not true, my brother? Hey. Not true. You have to get ahead in life. Oh God, you look frightened, you never get ahead yet. No. Hey, my friend, you never get ahead in life yet. Well, half of your life gone.
Hey, Bashment.
Eh?
Who have like the last part then?
Eh?
Bashment. And what we can do now to get ahead in life?
Well, simple. First, you have to succeed.
Papa, hey! Let us bargain us up.
I'm a friend.
So serious.
Popper! Our police are come flying.
I'm a friend. All right, Zacchaeus, come down.
Silence. Popper, listen to me. I need to talk to you. So the police are check you, make him check you and come out.
I'm a son of them. I'm a pilot.
You my pilot,
Yeah.
Yes, I'm a
Pilot. P-L-O-T-E-R-R-Y. Pilot.
Popper, don't spell anymore. Don't spell.
Bashment.
Eh?
Mysterious.
Yeah, I'm a son of him. Him fly me here to
If
Jamaica.
you don't say I'm a
Yeah, he's a pilot.
Bashment.
Eh?
You know, so me and them start land plane on the causeway now.
Come
On
here,
the
sir.
toll road. Yeah, man, them a land plane on the toll road.
My son a pilot. Me go ask.
Start him up.
Plane can land by the toll road, my son.
Popper, listen to me. I'm your son, okay?
Yes.
I only put down plane 2 parts in Jamaica. Kingston and Montego Bay.
Three place, the toll road.
You mean that?
Them no go over there and see the plane, Bashment. We go over there and see the plane.
On the 2000 highway? Me right, you can't take plane by 2000
Bashment.
highway.
You see me run off on the boy, I'm a hold up on the plane. The damn boy fly plane through the toll, you know.
Oh, yes. Oh, what is... Hello. Popper. Officer, you now make no sense, yes, sir. Take away yourself.
What?
Officer, I said take away yourself. What do you want to, man?
No, me not know, sir.
Popper, listen to me. Stop bringing police on the place, you hear me?
No, I'm a great
But
friend.
listen, I have good news for you today. The foreign boss are come.
Me rotted. Book shot a color.
No. The people who me fly the private plane for, they will come here today.
Oh.
So you know what that means.
More money for me and you.
No, me. You cook? You cook?
Curry goat and stew peas and rice.
Woo! I love you, Popper.
All right.
Hey, Pop! Look there, Pop back, we're finished here.
I want.
Pop right back, man, I'll be in trouble.
Popper, what me tell you, say? Me not tell you, son of boy. What me tell you about?
Trevor,
Yo, Pops, why am I telling some brother the girl?
you didn't ask me. Trevor,
Pops, I pay for me, man.
Trevor, you get yourself in trouble again?
Pops, a big problem.
Trevor, you get yourself in trouble again? Trevor! I said, Trevor, are you get yourself in trouble again? Christ have mercy. Trevor, you get yourself, tell me something. You are me at Kingston? I said, Trevor, are you me at Kingston? Don't you tell people say you get dropped for them because you're me at Kingston. Eh? You're a doctor. Trevor, may I ask you, you're a doctor? Eh? See that? Our 6 baby mother come this morning and say you have to deliver them baby because you're a doctor. Eh? Why you so damn lie? Eh? Trevor, I said you sell Olympia Hotel again. Eh? Olympia Hotel belong to you. When you sell them on hotel, why you so damn? I'm going to get rid of them. I must get rid of them. I'm going to get rid of them. Trevor, why you so friggin' lying?
Pops, remember see my father? Pops, let me ask you a question, see? May I work?
No.
You know if me have a 9 to 5 job?
No. K-N-O-W-T-E-R-Y. No.
So Pops, where me get money from?
How that me I wonder?
Pops, I am no liar.
What you mean?
I am a hustler. A full-fledged hustler. You see, everything that you want, I have to hustle for it. Hey, Pops, you see when you want the light to pay, the mortgage, and the water to pay, me have to hustle for that. Hey, Pops, you think I could tell me tell some girls some lie? Just to pay your bill them?
How will you say?
Pops, you think a little time me tell some girl say no neck, no foot, no tongue, no hand, no head?
Trevor, you know easy.
Pops, you think a little time me bury you? Hey, Pops, you think a little time me keep 9 nights for you?
Oh, so then now time me come and see you and Suzette and Hoji. So now keep 9 nights for the friend. Afini?
Pops, that time you did 3 times already. Hey, Pops, make me tell you something about the country, you know. There is no such thing as an unemployed person in this country, you know. Everybody's self-employed. We are all hustlers. Hey, Pops, you see when pastor want money, then call congregation. When government want money, they call conference. When me want money, me canuman. The whole of we are con artists. Hey, Pops, me have big woman of fire, me never have to country, you know.
And them today, I do.
Pops, what do you say about a new tongue? I cannot get your new tongue, you know. You see one eyeglass, me cannot get your eyeglass, you know. Hey, Pops, I tell you when I told you the idea, see. I tell you woman say, my grandmother sick with her heart, right?
Trevor, hold on. You alright?
Me granny?
Trevor, are you so damn live? Trevor, your grandma died before you born. Yeah, granny.
But Pops, me know that, but she don't know that. So I tell the woman say my granny sick with her heart, right? So she said, how much the art cost? Come tell us my granny want a brand new art, right? She said, how much the art cost? I tell her the art cost too. I tell her the art cost 50,000 Jamaican dollar, right? So she said I must go to the bank. She go wire the money in my account. When me in the bank at the front of the line, the blasted woman call me back. Here I know. Shebada, I'm not going to bother to send you the money.
Well, Trevor, you know war nothing. You know one obligation, everything, Chris.
You don't hear the conclusion yet?
Huh?
Trevor, instead of sending you the money, I'm coming to Jamaica. I would like to be there for you and your godmother. In times like these, you need a shoulder to lean on. No, Pops, if my granny did before me, bad, and she a come to Jamaica to be beside me and my grandmother, what that mean?
Where the hell you get granny from?
Same blast thing that's it.
Where?
I shall do, Pops, just send the money come. For sure, I'm beside me and my granny.
Well, all me say now, all you're going to have to do, walk up and down, all about na Kingston so you can find a whole man.
But Pops, you could have taken and send the money come.
So you're too damn lie, man.
And
Listen,
lie. Hustling.
Well, all right. You're hustling the wrong way. Well, one thing me have to tell you, go up on the street and see if you can find a granny. Because I don't know how you're going to manage. I can't help you. I can't help you. This one you're going to need. You're too damn lie. I can't help you. You better call Susan and ask Susan if you can lend you our granny. You're fat. Trevor, I hope you're not thinking what I am thinking, that you are thinking. Warm to me. Look, my clothes clean. You see my clothes clean. Trevor, I says Trevor. I hope you're not thinking what I am thinking, that you are thinking.
Pops, I want to be a thing with me a thing. Pops, like father, like son. Granny she want, granny she going to get.
Come in before it falls. Popper!
Wow.
Popper! Hey, my boss is here.
You got a lovely studio here, man. This place
Boss
is
is
so
here.
lovely.
Hello, Bostress.
Hi, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
So, you are Jooky Dad?
Jooky Dad? Jooky Dad?
Popper!
I said you're Jooky Dad?
Oh yeah. Jooky Dad? Jooky Dad?
You are Jooky Father?
Oh!
He
Yeah.
speaks a lot about you.
Yeah, me a Jooky Cooker. We talk about him too.
It's a pleasure meeting you.
A pleasure meeting you too.
Very lovely.
Very. So what you say?
Very lovely.
Say you love me? Does you say? Hey? You say you love me? I love you too. So what is your name?
Everybody calls me Miss Pay.
Oh.
Yes.
Why my name is Bashment. Everybody call me Bashy.
Nice name you got.
Nice name.
And you really look bashy too.
Oh, you caught me. You look good. Hey, you know, your name don't look familiar. Your name does not look familiar. Where are you from?
Well, actually, I'm a Jamaican, you know.
Oh.
Living in London for 25 years.
Oh,
Now I'm in the States for 5 years. So you figure it out.
I know. You're a deportee. A foreign Jamaican. Sit down. share money. Jooky then set me up, no?
No, Papa. She not like big man. You have 19 and under.
She come like a friend of mine, one in Susan.
Yeah. You look good. You look good. You look good. You look good. You look good.
Can I give you something to drink? White rum, red rum. Anything.
You're offering me a drink?
No, I'm not half a your drink. Now give you a full glass of drink.
Tell you what, I'd rather have a...
Cersei.
Yes, Jooky.
Some speed. You didn't get tea on the plane.
Jooky, Cersei is not tea for mine. Whenever I'm in Jamaica, I just love to have my Cersei. Yes.
So, Miss B, how you want the Cersei? Cook or boil?
Tell you what, just draw it for mine. Draw it for mine.
Draw it for mine? Well, on it. The recipe they have me own. Draw it for mine. Come here, Jooky. Come here.
What, Papa?
Draw it for mine. I want a new recipe there. Draw it for mine. Jooky, your pencil and paper there.
Fever.
Draw it for mine.
Papa, man, one thing that's simple. It's a foreign recipe. Here, though. Go to the bucket, say, pick the Cersei up for the friends. Wash it and put down 1 pot of soap water. Turn on the stove and make it boil up. When it boil up, straighten down 1 cup and bring it come.
Oh, steam it. Oh, steam it. Yeah, I don't want these guys to come cook.
Wow, that was something else. It was big, jerky, and bumpy. Yeah, I rather when you flew me down.
Oh, I know you like when I flew you down.
Yeah.
But me couldn't compare this time.
Why not, Joe?
Hold on.
What is it?
Listen, you see last week when me land the plane on the toll road.
Toll road?
Shit! I didn't know pickup point, man. When me put on the plane, I pay police.
Police?
Yes!
But damn it off the road.
Me have to go some food. When the plane come on Miami. When we come on Miami, now me I say yes. Me have to pick up something. And me I said no, man. Something wrong, because normally we wait 5 minutes and I get this stuff on the done. I didn't get nothing.
I'm beginning to get nervous
Some
now.
say, hold on, something wrong. Some say, no, what? Straight to Barbie.
You get it?
I didn't get the Barbie this
Damn it
night.
after all, I'm getting nervous.
So, we just say, no, what? We come back to Jamaica.
So what am I going to do?
I don't know. I'm going to go out next week.
Oh, damn it after all. What am I going to say to Offer Dog? Who? Offer Dog? Oh my God.
Miss B,
Who? Offer Dog is my partner in business.
Miss B, but you never tell me you have a partner in business.
I don't have to tell you every bloody thing.
No, but I mean,
If I don't deliver to Offer Dog, it's going to get me killed.
I don't busy about you.
Shut your bloody mouth while I'm talking. You don't do that to me.
Miss B, am I lies you want to get take back again, Miss B? I said,
shut your bloody mouth. As long as I'm in this bloody house, you don't bloody talk. Damn it after all. If I don't deliver those stuff, Offer Dog is going to get me killed. Jooky, it's not getting gross in those boxes, you know.
I don't know what I can
It's
for you.
$1 million worth of stuff. Oh my God, what am I going to do?
I don't know.
Oh, plus stuff in my bloody bag.
So, Miss B, why?
Where's the bloody bag for mine?
I don't know, something.
I said don't bloody talk while I'm in here. Give me this bag. Damn it.
Guess where you come from.
Shut up!
Sorry.
You're getting me real nervous now, you know. Oh, bloody hell. Hello?
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 Hi, baby.
Don't baby me a box sign
Hey,
now.
baby,
you
you
know.
send the money come out. See what the money now?
What happened to my boxes?
You soon get the bloody box.
I said what happened to those packages?
You soon get the
Oh,
packages.
damn it off the road.
Baby.
If I don't deliver those boxes, Offer Dog is going to get me killed.
Listen to me. Who?
Offer Dog?
Who the hell is Alpha Dog?
You are the one who introduces me to him.
Miss P, you gonna get mixed up with that boy again?
I I said if I don't deliver, you're gonna get me killed.
Hello, tell me something. Which part?
Just tell me where is my
Where are you?
I'm right here in Jamaica at my pilot house.
Where there?
I'm in Jamaica at my pilot house.
Yeah, but there.
Oh, damn it off the roll. I will get to you. Damn
Hello,
it.
woman. Hello.
Oh, Papa! Papa! Come to the TV case and get her home. Come, Papa, come. We have to get her home quick. We have to get her home. Come, Papa, come. Come, Papa, come. Got me killed. Papa, come, go on.
Hey, Pops, come. Hey, Pops. Pack the bag. Half a dog come here.
Half a dog?
Half a dog here, Pops.
Half a dog?
Pops, half a dog come here.
Who the half a dog? Who the half a dog?
Oh, bloody hell. Somebody's trying to set me up.
With what, Miss Reid?
What is he doing here? Who is trying to set me
Oi,
up?
half a dog, don't come near me.
What is he doing here? You are the one setting me up. You are the only person know that I am here. Oh my
Pops.
God.
What she do you?
I mean, no way half a dog.
What she? Hey, Pops.
Eh? No.
And she I go buy me granny heart.
Oh,
Hello,
What is it?
what are you doing here?
What are
Hey,
you
Pops,
doing
what
here?
she do here? What
the
are
hell
you
are
doing?
you doing
Pops,
here?
what she doing here?
what are you doing here?
Hey, we are here.
You are the one who set me up. Leave
Pops,
it
what
be.
she do here? Who can't come here?
I'm pilot.
I probably I'm going to kill. Where
This
is
is my bloody toilet.
Not anymore!
He is your bloody pilot.
Damn it off the roll. I
Pops,
just
my pilot.
can't believe this.
Are you brother in a pilot? A big pilot like here.
And this is my bloody father.
Eh?
You're what?
My bloody father.
Eh?
No, Pops.
Trevor,
Yeah.
did I send you money last year to bury your bloody father?
Yes, remember. But that was not my father, that was my stepfather, right, Pops? This is my biological father. He no step go nowhere.
No, your Bible father.
And this is my little brother.
Trevor, why are you doing this to me?
What have I done to you?
You said you have one brother and he's in prison.
Yes, I hear this in just come up and parole. And he soon come back.
I just can't believe this. This is a puzzle I just cannot put together.
Remember.
Hey,
What is really happening here?
nothing not happened.
Trevor,
It's because it's
where is your grandmother? I
Who?
need to talk to her.
Talk to who?
Let me talk to your grandmother and get me help.
Hey, Pops! Miss B want to talk to your mother. Remember say your mother, you know?
Can I talk to your mother?
Shebada University Public Hospital. So, wait.
So can we go there to visit?
No, she's at Ward 13. Oh, wait.
What the hell is really happening here?
What is
Trevor,
happening?
I need to talk to your grandmother.
A fee mother.
It's your grandmother, that is why I'm here.
Trevor! What about Friday? When you get there, then I have to
Hey. Hey, we got visitor.
No, man.
Hey! We got visitor.
Then what
Hey, you remember the woman who test your pee for me granny heart? He there.
God knows.
See there?
You're lying. Oh, lady. Hi, how you doing?
It's a pleasure meeting you.
Oh, God.
No.
Oh, God.
No, don't cry.
What is it?
Oh, God.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Yeah, take your please. No.
Oh, God.
I don't understand.
No.
Why is he crying?
I saw him cry when it's a strain.
Why is he crying?
He must cry because
Young man, why are you crying?
We can't go to church this morning.
Hey, no good to
I didn't know like all the sermons.
I just don't understand.
You see him? You know why he must cry? He must cry because Because you see him is very close to my grandmother.
That is why it's right.
Yes, it's him take care of my grandmother.
Yes.
It's him wash and cook and clean my grandmother, don't you?
Yes.
Don't they? Hey, no,
Wash, cook, and clean.
don't you?
Very nice, young man.
Yes. It's him wash and I'm my grandmother yard boy.
Wash, cook. Wash, cook, and clean for an old lady?
Wash, cook and clean.
Very nice, young man.
Very nice, young man.
So, Trevor, he's taking care of your grandmother.
Wash, cook and clean.
Are you taking care of him?
No.
Trevor, this is a shame. He is taking care of your grandmother. You should be taking care of him.
Me try my best.
But you are not. By the look of his cheekbone, he's suffering.
Hey, let me appear you. Let me appear you. You can't say me. No way you can't say me. But you can't say them things.
I said it already.
Yes, but the boy is sensitive.
But you should take care of
Me
him.
know. But he's
Get it after
sensitive.
all. Get out my way.
It's not foreign. Hey, don't talk nothing bad about him, please. Do.
My, oh my. Look at his knee bones. Trevor, you should take care of that young man. By the look of his knee bone, he has worm. Damn it, after all. I sent you money all the time, and you're not taking care of your people.
So man, come up here.
Jack, money shit from me.
She's not supposed to take no liberty. I mean, I'm coming up to beg you for nothing. I mean,
Oh, young man. Oh, never mind. Don't worry. Are you hungry, young man?
Hey, Bones. You better show your collarbone and your shank.
Here, I want you to get yourself some food. Very good food. And take this to the pharmacy and buy yourself a bottle of worm medicine.
no, she ought to.
Mr. Bashment, why are you fighting the young man for the money? Why are you fighting the young man? Never mind. Trevor, never mind. Mr. Bashment, shame on you. I give him the money and you're fighting him for it. Trevor, why you want to push him down?
Pastor, why you push him down?
Oh my God, I can't believe it. Just go to the doctor, go and see a doctor. Never mind.
Hey, Miss B. You have the money for your grandmother? Give me it before you done it.
I will have to talk to your grandmother first.
Miss
I'm
B,
really upset.
tell me something.
Whenever I see your
No,
grandmother,
you have the money for your grandmother?
I do have money.
Give me.
I will have to talk to your grandmother. That's my drive out there.
Your drive?
Yes.
So, where are you staying?
I'm staying at the Hilton, of course.
Okay, good.
So, tell me something. Where will you be staying?
Me?
Yeah.
May I stay right also?
Oh, I can stay here with you then.
No, you see, me's a new pastor now, they being me, and all the ministers them coming here to stay. So we have a conference, so you can't stay.
Okay then, I'll see you. Come and meet me at the hotel.
So, Miss B,
Yeah?
is which room you are staying at?
Room 69.
Again?
Hey, what make it up? push me down 2 more times. He doesn't send me out also.
Hey, I didn't see a Ruben carry Brittany. I didn't see a Ruben carry Susan.
Hey, Pops, no,
Hey,
Pops, stop it.
every woman come in carry Route
Pops.
69. Eh?
Your mother?
Brittany, Susan.
No, your mother. Your mother, 130, is a wicked man. Hey, Pops, you're lying. Pops, you're pastor.
I'm not a liar. I'm a hustler.
Hey, Pops, you see the boy can't ball? He said, there goes the money.
No, him a liar.
Hey, he can't ball, you know? Hey, Pops, you know what I do? The next time I have a 9-night for you, I'm making come ball here 9-night. That boy can't ball. Hey, Pops, you're not sweat, you're lying.
Why?
You man say,
why
you push down the boy?
I didn't try to get you from.
Pops, you're good.
Hey, may I tell you now? Who not the new breed of liar?
No, but you're good. Hey, Pops, the boy, they're good. Wait, talk ball.
No one of Brittany left you.
Hey, no, Shebada can't ball, you know.
Hey, you can't get me out of this, you know.
Get your...
No matter how you not get me out of this. You know this. You think I know you're in plan?
Yeah, plan.
I know the plan, you know.
I'm plan.
Only plan to get me out of this, but me have to get some out of you.
You get some, man.
What's the Shebada dress up like? Granny. You think I don't know? What? You think I don't know what's the dress up like, Granny?
You don't think that's some old man in your mall?
You can't trick me, what's the
Pops,
eh?
are you the granny?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Hey, Pops, somebody will play granny and you fit. Hey, Pops, can you imagine, right? That woman give me 50,000 Jamaican dollars, right? And so that 50,000.
No! 50,000 is too good, you promise me. Hey boy, I'm not done enough with $500. I'm not fucking to make people come.
Hey! Make your 3,000 for yourself.
Trevor got no?
I never lied to you.
Tongues.
3,000 I give you?
Yes.
So how much I give you?
You? Me I give you 30,000 for yourself.
How much you take?
Me take 17 and give Shebada 3, 50-50 right down the middle.
Trevor, you're so honest to me.
You are my father.
Trevor, you're really so good to me.
You are my grandmother.
Trevor, you really get so honest.
We are hustlers. Pops, like father, like son. Granny she want, granny she go and get. Hey, Shebada. Granny up my daddy.
You come, and I hope you're not stubborn.
Yo, and my father that, you know? Can you imagine? I get $12.5 million. Give Shebada 3, give my father 30, take 70 to myself, buy a car for 6.5, you know what money I was spend? Money don't know.
You know me, baby, come to the taxi outside waiting.
Not even taxi fare, can't pay. What you taxi fare?
Trevor, where are your things?
Me things.
No, say you play.
Me things. Which?
Trevor, why aren't you packed?
Why aren't I packed?
You know we're sick and tired of them things here.
Sick and tired.
Every time I do the same thing over and over.
Baby, what me-
Don't baby me a backside, you know.
What me do? What?
2 months ago, you know, you come to scam me got the Bahamas. And I know me a wait. You come back again and promise to take me to Rickage for dinner for 2. And I know me still a wait. And you mean that we're supposed to go to the Hillside this weekend and you forgot? Right now, the way me upset edge, I'm gonna run me because I knew my last my favorite room, Boom 69. Trevor, will get the things in the taxi outside and wait.
Alright, baby, listen to me. You see, because this weekend is so important to you, tell me what you do. Go in the room and pack your bag. And meanwhile you pack your bag, pack yourself in the bag. And since the taxi are waiting, pack yourself in the bag in the taxi. You the taxi in your bag. Go on a Hilton, go spend a weekend by your blast yourself and don't stress me out.
Trevor, why are you behaving like this?
Because you are stress me out. Hey, my girl. You see right now, me and undergo a whole heap of stress. And you add more stress to my stress, Angel. Don't stress me out. Sure. Hey, let me tell you something now. I know some of the one go on the weekend with you, know. But look, put yourself in my shoes right now. Look what I'm right now. So right now, look right this way. My brother there. My father there. You there. My cousin, she just fell up from foreign and she there. My granny sick with her heart and she I go there. And me, I feel take care of all who there. Angel, don't stress me out. Tell her.
How you talk about God and mother, everybody else, but what about me and you, huh? We don't need quality time?
Well, Angel, let me tell you this. Me not put no girl in front of my family. You see my family? My family come first. You see my cousin? She come first. You see my granny? She come first, Sarah. Angel, don't stress me out. Okay.
Trevor. Just please the baby. Trevor, every time I do the same thing over and over, make promises we know you can't keep. Maybe just go pack up the things and come now, man.
Angel, stop stressing me out. A matter of fact, since you don't understand what I want, you read my lips. Angel, don't stress me out. Stop!
You know, I just feel like I was just behind so I used to forget everything about you. How is your mother to be behind your back?
you. What's your name?
My name is Angel.
Boxer in a bounty and being in there. You know what? Me have to left here because me in the music business and further, I am not into bullet. No.
Listen to me.
What?
This is not that Angel, okay?
So who you be?
And this is Trevor's Angel.
Hello, look at this. You don't see. Take a good look. You're looking at a dapper. Baby, you can have this steam snapper.
So where you supposed to be, huh?
Take a good look.
Take a good look.
Epaulets, black and white.
Let me show them to something so I can't read them. So, are you a waiter or something?
Hello, I'm a pilot.
You mean you fly plane? Yes. So why you don't put your hands around me?
So you like planes?
Of course.
Oh, so tell me something. Would you like to have a tour of my cockpit?
You mean all that for me? Yes. So, how you think I look? I look all right?
Oh, perfect.
You're sure?
Perfect.
All right, come then.
Yeah, let's go. I'm going to get the plane. Oh! Go on, I'm coming. Hello, fly she want, fly she going, yeah!
Magnificent. Granny, yeah, but you can't say tongues.
Tongues!
No, Granny. How you ever talk when you gotta dance?
What, Miss Sparrow?
Granny, you can't talk, so. Try this. Proper sitting. Let me hear nothing. Take out some of the bass out of your throat.
Proper sitting.
Hey, I never tell you say a statement dance, though. Granny, you have to have a walk. God know you have to have a walk, Granny. No. You have to have a walk. But if I show you, Trevor, have to go pay me extra. You want to see it? You make him pay me? Who believe you? Fix up your body because the whole of your teeth up here. Relax.
Yes, man.
know you love attention. So you walk when you dance, a pure body are going to look on you, yeah. And when you're going to football in this year, that granny. Tell me something. It's funky town you come from. I have a wine. But if I show you Trevor, I forgot to pay me extra. You want to see it? You make him pay me? Who believe you? I never give you mate. Bet you couldn't tell me I was select. Beanie man! But it's a long time you born. Tony Mataran. Granny spending all the mic in the morning. A pure skettle go run out. So run out too. Granny, you must have something in the morning, though. God no? You're hopeless. I have something in the morning. But if I show you, Trevor, I forgot to pay me extra. You want to see it? You make him pay me? Who believe you? Let me this. Look and learn.
celebrate. We have celebrate.
Bashi, oh, you stay.
All right.
What this?
Hi. My Jooky room door, you know.
I took your room door. All right. So, Bashi, where I going?
What are they?
You don't like me, saw me.
No.
You don't like me, saw me.
No, because every time you come here, bake something.
Bashi, me not beg nothing today.
Oh.
Bashi, you know, so me happy.
So you so happy?
Why, Bashi?
Hey, me have something. Me have pick against you. Where you run with the girl from?
Which girl? Don't laugh.
Hey, no. The girl didn't hear nothing, and you run away. Where you run away from?
Which girl?
Susan, where you run with Susan from?
I never run the Susan.
You see her bad and go on the road say, you say she must go to your house. So why should be you?
I never tell her, I never run away. I don't tell her I left. And she left, Bashi. And I thought I come out. Bashi, don't have a taste of a drink somebody with a big woman. Bashi, they said the dream come true.
Right, you find
Find a big woman, Bashi.
say you run it.
Bashi,
Yeah.
me say I told them to come up here and say big loud music, Bashi. So, Bashi, me never know you keep running rabbit.
Which one?
Come up here.
That's something I run rabbit.
Hey, Bashi,
No run rabbit.
me say I come up here. And when I look, I see the boy who liquid on Bashi. So I back the gun, to shot it. My woman said, no, officer, don't get yourself in that trouble. You big woman of Bashi, when you come over and dance with me, Bashi, you know me that outrageous, you know, Bashi. Bashi, you're not no one piece of walking and dance up there. Bashi, you're not dancing me sweat. I saw me have it, Bashi. When I tell me that I'm a back, so she don't go to start fling it up.
Hold on. No.
Yeah.
Me want to see your face. Let me tell me the truth. You come up here and you see one big woman a dance in my house.
Yeah.
And you and her dance
Dance to my sweat, Bashi.
in my house.
You never stay your house.
Oh, me know.
I go where help her.
Hey, I'm a mother. I'm a mother.
Bashi.
I'm a mother.
I am man, I look so good, Bashi.
Hey,
Bashi, let me ask you a question. Your mother have you when she about 9?
no. When she 8.5.
Bashi, like how you have bonafide. You don't think you're the right man for your mother?
No.
Bashi, put in a word for me now. That day with your mother, you know, my boy.
I said KnoWtey. No.
Bashi, why me can't do with your mother?
My mother don't want you.
Why?
My mother don't want a man. She's a virgin. She don't want a man.
Bashi, let me ask you a question. Me don't know how to block virgin.
Well, you won't block that one day. Listen, man. My
Bashi.
mother don't want no man. I tell you something. Officer, listen, just leave now.
All right.
Just leave. Because my mother don't want a man. You hear me say? I'm not that far. You see me, when you see me, you see my mother, when you see my mother, you see me. When you see me, you see my mother is me, and my mother is one. You hear me say? We are one.
Bashi, me not busy where you want, so me have to deal with your mother. But Bashi, when I see the woman, you know, Bashi, she give me a lot of phone number. But you be so licky. Bashi, we spend all the money when she write her number, pad.
All right. Listen. May I warn you. May I warn you. Do, for God's sake. Just leave me mother out of this.
All right, Bashi, I'm going to leave her. But give her my phone number and make sure she call me. The number 123. If she call me, I'll get because I'll press 4. Bashi, watch her, Bashi. Look for your mother. You have a stepson.
All right, leave here.
Yeah, Bashi, what kind of food your mother love? Come here, go look.
Officer, listen. Oh.
Bashment.
Hello dear, how you doing?
It's a pleasure meeting you for the second time around.
It's a pleasure meeting you too.
So where is that son of yours, Trevor?
Trevor?
Uh-huh.
You know, Sammy, just come the earlier. Just a little bit quicker. You know, see? In just left here a while ago.
Don't tell me. There was a police vehicle moving from the gate. Is Trevor in it?
Anyway, it's the Trevor in a police vehicle. I am a driving.
You make me feel a lot better now.
Yes.
Anyway, how is your mother doing and how is your aunt?
My mother?
Uh-huh.
My mother,
Well, here I brought her some lovely panties. And nightgown and all of that, you know.
My mother, what are you? This is cross the river. Over the seas. She will love them.
I know she will love them.
Yeah.
So how is she doing?
How is she doing? She do charm.
How is the aunt? I mean the aunt. Oh, Mr. Bashment, please don't cry now, you know.
Miss me can't tell lie, you know.
Oh, sorry, I'm upsetting you.
Me never tell lie from the beginning, but me never tell lie yet.
Mr. Bashment, I do know how you felt. That's the same way I felt when my mother was sick too.
Me say,
don't worry.
Me carry my mother to my doctor, you see? My doctor take the trumpet and put on her heart. How long you can't find her heart?
Mr. Bashment, nobody can live without an aunt.
Well, my mama live without one heart, though.
Oh, never mind. Well, I'm here to take care of her, you know.
But it's expensive.
You don't worry about that. All expense will be paid by me.
But how much heart the cost?
Only $12.5 million, of course.
$12.5 million?
Only.
$12.5 million? I'm going to buy some sugar. But, Miss B, that's a lot of money.
You don't have to worry about that, you know.
All right, Miss B, you know, say if you give me the money, I'll make, you know, my mother go around Jamaica, you know, I enjoy herself and then rich enough feel better.
Mr. Bashment, your mother is well sick and you're here making fun of it?
No, me not make fun.
Don't talk like that.
But when you're dead rich, you're dead happy, you know. When you're dead rich, you're going to heaven. When you're dead poor, you're going to hell.
Mr. Bashment, are you serious?
Me serious. Ask John. John said him just come back from hell. He said down there, weird, pure poor being down there.
Tough to roll. I just can't believe what you're saying.
No, man, I'm not true. So
if Trevor hear you talk like that, he will upset with you, you know.
Trevor. Miss B. I know it's Trevor.
All Trevor wants is for his grandmother to have a new aunt.
Miss B. I know it's Trevor.
Very wonderful young man.
Christ have mercy. Miss B, I know it's Trevor.
Anyway, when can I really see your mother?
Well, now, go down there now.
Can I come with you?
No, you can't come.
Why not?
You see, if you go to our public, you have to cross Orange Street and go across North Street and then block the whole of this up. So you can't go. At night time, no light, no day. So you can't.
So why don't we take a taxi?
Taxi? Taxi from Crossroad to go downtown? Hey, them the taxi man, you know, them put all 10 on the back seat. And if you don't mind, shop, police put you on record same way.
Tell me tough to roll. So when can I really sit with your mother? Look here. I need to sit with you, your mother, and Trevor and discuss how we're going to get the votes.
Yes. I'll tell you something. You see, once you sit with me and Trevor, you will sit with my mother. You must sit with my mother. You have to sit with my mother. Once you sit with me and Trevor, you must sit with my mother.
Don't make it long, you know.
No.
Because I'm going to flew back to the States and bring her down and you donated vote.
You have flew back to the States?
Quite so.
And bring her down and you donate a vote?
Yes.
Miss me that can't fit.
Oh,
Not 15. Did you know what it hold? Can't fit. She want that Jamaican heart. Miss me, you never know that. You see it? Foreign hood, too small. You see the Jamaican heart, big. You never know that. Jamaican heart, big.
Mr.
Mr. Bashment, don't worry yourself. We will arrange that.
All right, so
I will talk to Trevor. We do arrange.
I'm going down here, see? And I'm going to send her come here.
Send her come?
Yeah, she
Can
can
she
come.
come on her phone?
Yeah, my friend will drop her come here.
So can I stay here until she comes?
Just stay and drink what you want.
Okay.
All right, everything. Miss me one thing. You see your pile of Jooky jam? Don't tell him nothing about him grandmother heart. Yeah?
Why not?
No, you can't tell him about him grandmother heart, you know. No. In loving granny, loving granny, loving granny, in loving granny. You see, when he fly in plane and go up to the cloud, if you don't mind shopping crash. So don't tell him nothing.
Okay. I can see your concern.
All right. So it's just betwixt me, you, and Trevor.
Okay.
Remember, you know?
Yes.
It's me, you, and Trevor.
I'll keep it that way.
Keep it that way. All right? Keep it that way.
Okay.
Not tell Jooky nothing, you know?
I will not.
All right. Because anyway, you tell Jooky everything mash up the box.
Wonderful family, ain't it? Am I really blessed to be in a family like this? And I'm beginning to love Trevor more because he loves his grandmother.
Come on, for the man there, we're too good. Leave the man alone, man, and stop chatting. Mr. Bashi! Bashi! No, Mr. Bashi, go show them dirty play time. I'm going to sign contract. Bashi!
You don't say!
Iguana! Come make your friend us all.
Just cannot believe you.
Are you that lady?
Naturally so.
Hey, I never introduce myself, I do it before nobody else tell like me. You see me, you want to do every little thing, the goalie and me clean it and the gutter. If you're waiting a shop, send me out my ambidextrous. They never bring you here.
Well, naturally, I'm Trevor's woman.
Yeah, Trevor, what?
I'm Trevor woman.
No, man! How I do the song? How I do what I run down? Between me and you, ma'am, you know, say Trevor not look good? Trevor feels silver mackerel head.
Don't you ever dare say that again. If you should ask me, Trevor could be Mr. Jamaica. Look at the statistic. 42, 40, 42.
Me know Jamaica not workplace, and that's like a handicap.
Well, I'm really here to take care of Trevor's grandmother. Jesus.
What a woman determined. You decide, so you have to get the man. Me can answer your question.
Go ahead.
You really take plane, come down here to take one man? No man there foreign. Foreign done.
You know something? You are despicable.
Thank you.
And let me go a little further. As you know, Trevor's grandmother is sick with her aunt. I'm going to fly back to the States and bring her down and you donated aunt.
You got foreign man?
Naturally so.
Hey. Them time I come to airports. I have a heart. But if me girl, you have to go wash it off. Me love it full of information.
You know something? I just cannot figure you out.
You don't try to figure me out, you will mad.
Would you really donate your aunt to Trevor's grandmother?
Yeah, I love the granny. And the money.
Oh, so you're an hustler.
By birth.
Would you really hustle your own aunt?
Trying.
Oh my God. As you can see, I'm alone.
And the granny, me never look fine.
About?
I don't look fake, granny, man.
Can I come with you?
No, me love you stay. Too much baggage, I mean a camera. But me have a problem.
What's the problem?
Me have the taxi fare.
You're so disrespectful and don't overtalk the crowd. Tell you what. Why don't you take the bus? Isn't it $50 Jamaican for a bus ride?
But I must the last part of foreign you come from. Hey, from here so to Paris, the taxi man I charge $1,500 now.
Okay. It's for Trevor's grandmother. I will do almost anything. $1,500. This is $1,500 Jamaican dollars.
Then we never near mom.
Am I supposed to take care of you?
You can't take care of me, ma'am. From the other day, I come up here and get bright in the ear. Hold back this and go buy a girl, you can soak your face.
He's quite something else. And I just cannot figure him out. Before I left here, I'm going to figure him out.
Look at this place. Where's Trevor? How this place look like this? It must be one of Trevor's sweetheart. Leave it like this.
Wow! Trevor's grandmother?
Oh!
Are you Trevor's grandmother?
Oh, yes.
Wow!
Who are you?
I'm Miss P, of course.
Oh, you're Miss B.
Trevor tell you about me.
Yes, Trevor told me about you.
Well, I'm here to take care of you.
You're so beautiful.
Oh, you're a nice old lady.
Oh, yes, and you're so nice.
Wow, it's a pleasure meeting you.
It's a pleasure meeting you, too.
How is your aunt doing?
Well, you know, it's not function, but I don't pay it no mind.
I hope we meet you for a very long time now.
Yes.
And I'm here to take great care of you.
Oh, you're a doctor?
No, but I'm going to get you in the hospital, fly back to the state and bring you down a new donated home.
Oh, but it is so expensive.
You don't worry about that, you know. All expense will be paid by me.
How much does it cost?
Only $12.5 million, of course.
Oh, if you give me that money, I can go to courts and get a cheaper heart.
Never mind. I do understand.
Yes?
Your heart is all mixed up in your brains.
Oh,
never mind.
oh, I forget to tell the doctor to check my brain. Maybe my heart gone up there.
Don't worry. You have a very wonderful grandson, eh? All he wants is for you to get a new heart.
Oh, Trevor?
Yes.
Miss B, I know Trevor.
You know something? You talk just like your son, eh?
Everyone say that me and my son are one.
Don't worry, I'm going to take great care of you.
Okay, so you're going to give me that money?
I'm going to take care of your heart.
All right.
I'll be going now.
You're so nice.
I'm going to be back shortly.
So you're going to give me that money?
Tell you what, I will have to discuss it with Trevor as well. Because one thing I noticed, you're really strong.
You're so beautiful.
Aren't you?
You're pretty.
Really?
Trevor must marry you.
Wow.
I'll see to it that Trevor marries you.
My dream will come true.
Your dream has come true.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh.
I'm going to give you the money.
Oh, you're beautiful.
Oh, no. I'm going to give you the money. I'll be back shortly.
Oh, look at that. Buy your damn food. I'll buy some Trevor, I'll buy some that. Oh, Miss B. Hello, Miss B.
Hey, watch it! off. Go away. Go away. Lord. So dainty. You're my style. Make I tell you something. You could fly high or fly low. I must succeed.
Well, this is one seed you want, sir.
Right. Never your box like a man.
And I will kick like a man.
Why are you doing this? Whoa.
But wait, how are you in the Mr. Bashment's house, eh?
You know that before you come in here?
Ain't that easy?
You know, that woman that plays snake on the leg.
Aye, Trevor soon come home and you just try come out of my house now.
Come, bro, come out here and go over my
Get away.
All your face they going free now. No, I'm not shoot your face too tough. And the shot might go bounce off and kill me.
So wait, you not go out?
Who are you speaking to me like that?
But you know you're rude. You can't come and ask a woman. Are you blind? I am Trevor's woman.
Huh? Are you blind? I'm Trevor's grandmother. The one that wants a new heart.
You mean you are Trevor's grandmother?
Yes, dear.
Oh, my
You
apologies.
know, and the heart is so expensive. $12.5 million for one heart.
$12.5 million to one heart?
You can imagine if it was the two hearts.
Oh man, something don't sound right. So when you say Trevor not have no money, where really mean by that?
Poor thing can't find a cent.
You know, see, 2 weeks ago, you promised to buy me a Lamborghini for $6.5 million.
Trevor
Yes.
promised to buy you a lamb bucket.
But Grandma, you don't worry yourself. I'll sort it out for you, alright?
You gonna make Trevor give me the money?
Yes, don't worry about it.
You're a nice girl. Trevor must marry you. I'll see to it that Trevor marries you.
You know, I know me still can't believe that man Trevor is a wicked man.
Little girl, don't push me. You let us never talk. Hey, girl, over here, man. Sure. Lord, the rum and coke, sit down right here, so. Me if I treat free, we'll go up and down. You angel man beater? Jesus! I come up here the other day, come see my step up on her like a welcome home mat. One thing with a girl, let me know she have good skin. If her skin must make out a heel back material. The angel!
Wait.
She have got a chef upstairs, I will take her. No girl and them man beat them can't talk to me. You man beat you? Tell my fan now when no, for true. Some girl get the kind of eye with it, like angel. I beat her.
I really, you out here about over them stuff, eh? Where you come from so early? You not live nowhere?
Tell me about it.
Well, that's still answer my question, you know. Where you come from, Shebada?
I went out.
No, man. You really mean you got to dance last night, left me?
Like you could have come. You know, see the man where you there with? I owe me champ and you saw a tattoo.
I'm vexing up. So wait, how would I over there say find new friend?
Baba little the dumb girl from the mad when Trevor used to name him. I saw mistake, I can't hold on nothing.
Did she know for true?
No, so she not all that down her tongue just big like carpet.
No, I'm not laugh with you in a cup of tea, me and a friend. Are you and I alone got to dance last night?
No, my love, take a guess.
You mean what? Take a guess? I can't, Trevor. You mean Granny?
Girl, Granny go on with something to dance, you wouldn't believe it. Granny go pan her like head tap and I realize her neck big. me no girl take no leg.
Aye, where you go? Come back and fix my couch. Fix back my couch.
Stop! Will you boost me up for your supper, Jen? Little girl, tell me something. It's how you just come from country from get out before me. And notice the attitude from the other day in your dirty house. You know, from I come up here, my sign of step on at you. Aye, don't put out so much energy. Come back from up. You know, it's a wicked dumb girl. Take the girl, man, I know you'll fix up our place. Make up your mind. Help her, I'll take Keisha. Come. Trevor, you never pay me. No, you never pay me. You know, so them rubbing cement here, because we don't want to bring like pepper like Trevor, come. Trevor, you know that I ain't friend of a ghost. Trevor, Trevor, please, may I beg you, don't mess with my tutu. Trevor, the bad man in a Trevor photocopy. I mean, come let Trevor meet me. Oh.
Hi. Dr. Trevor. I say you want to drop it. $12.5 million. Then you make it 30,000. You hear me, sir? You have the teeth. You just let them have my picnic. Here's a damn job. I give you money, man.
Pops. Go for money. Go for me money. Hey, Pops, don't run with me now.
No, I'm not running.
Hey, I will burn. Oh, when is the money someone burn on this block? No. Hold on. I want for money. I want for money. Hey, Pops, don't run with me now. I will burn on this now. You better come like you want. No. It's something like you want to rob out of my money. Hey, rob me.
That was to buy blanket medicine, eh?
Me near me.
Trevor, it's just 300.
Baby.
Yes?
Me and my cousin.
I'm coming up food. Now I get this. My money, this. My heart. My heart. Now I get this.
Anyway, Papa, even the library read a while ago.
Where you can't go back a library? No, sir, hold on, I'm going to talk to you. Hey, today I'm not here. I said, I get a dream.
Hey.
Send me and two young girl a romance me. Young girl a 96. Old man a 69. I buy the two number.
Are you still alive? Are you still alive, Papa?
I say I buy the drop on and I win pick 6. $12 million.
Papa, you know I'm $12 million. Can
It's about $12.5 million. I am 12. They look for me. You know something good looking. Yes, some rich money.
Hold on, Papa. You really have $12.5 million?
Then, yes, me look like rich man. Me look better looking, me get browner. How about you?
We don't know what about them.
Hey.
Alright. You say you have 12.5.
12.5.
You have anything for me? You serious?
Yeah.
Papa, don't believe you. Don't tell me so much life.
No, man. Why don't you give me the number and let me buy them, man? Tell you, man.
Alright, so wait the money.
Yeah, the money secure for me and you, man. You don't have to worry about that. I'm here the rich is that. Hey, me see me feel good enough. I can be rich now, you know. Yeah, that's it.
I don't know what to believe in this one.
Yeah, believe me, man. Yeah, you don't see me rich. Look at me, man. Look at me, look. You don't see rich.
Papa say you always look. You don't see
No, hey. I am $12.5 million here.
Okay, alright.
So, you what? Get out Trevor. Get out Trevor and the woman then.
You mean Trevor?
Yeah.
You mean that boy?
Get him out.
Long time. Papa, what me think? Papa, what me think?
Hi, nobody with that.
Oh, you mean about that?
No.
A 2-time and pull gun for me. And you're sure I'm afraid of gun.
No, you don't fight fire with fire.
What you say?
No, there's an easier way to get him out, man.
What do what?
All you have to do is love drink. Make him go over and drink till he's drunk. And when he's drunk and leave him asleep, you just tie the rope on it, tie it on the bed. I say, fire! When the bitch drunk up, he must stay.
Oh, no, Papa have a point. What does it mean? Me have to think my way. No boy, no gun for me. My papa is supposed to have my things. Hold on there. Mama never passed this in the passage. Never see this. I don't me pass this. Oh my God! You know what? Finders, keepers, losers, sweepers! I'm out of here! Angel!
Hi, Jooky, where's Trev?
Angel!
Trev?
Angel!
Trevor?
Angel! Angel!
Where's Trevor?
Angel! Here is Trev.
Stop it, man.
I'm dropping in love with you, baby. Angel, can we get married? I have some picnic like about 13.
You crazy or something?
No, I'm not crazy.
What would I be doing with you?
So what's wrong with me?
Look at you and look at me.
Nothing wrong, you're a woman and me a man, nothing wrong.
Listen to me, there's more to life than that. What you have can offer me.
Everything that you want, I can give to you, Angel.
You don't even have a proper job. You tell me see a camera going to play the other day. They all brought down somewhere on the road. Jooky,
Angel. Angel, you know, sister, but you don't know when somebody's in love with you. Look in my eyes. You don't see I'm a rising star. You don't see.
Alright, you listen to me, rising star. You see me? I am no ordinary angel. Because me, I have also on the ends.
No problem. I can give you two of that.
Jooky, I have to try my red Lamborghini up there.
No, Angel, no problem. I can give you two of that.
Jooky, me need to go. Jooky, come on, some baby. You have a move?
You know, I love you.
Love who?
Me love her. Me love her. Only can't stand it. Love comes with cash. Come here, baby.
What's that?
Come here. Look here, baby.
Baby, it's where you get so much money from.
Me don't know where it come from, but I feel more now.
Then Jooky, like how you love me, and me love you. I'm holding on for the money a little bit now.
Alright, Angel, I'm gonna make you hold it one little time. Alright, give me it back now, give me it back. Angel.
But baby, you really serious about me getting married again?
Yes, but give me back my money, yes.
Just a minute.
Angel, me say, no. Don't do it. What's here? What you doing? You know, Lamina here, out of here. You're good. Anyway,
want back my money. You want to hold back my money.
Listen to me, Jooky.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to come with you,
You come?
Yeah, man. But here, what?
Mm-hmm.
I have some things around the back I'm going to need to carry with me. Somewhere I'm going to go down that town, go get 2 suitcases and a large barrel. One go on and come back.
No. Me not left. Stop it!
Blasted fool. But no, man, I went to... You know what? Who this? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, boss.
Don't boss me a box, son. Angel,
Yes, boss?
you've been on disgrace for quite too long.
But boss, you don't understand.
Don't boss me a box, son. You have exactly 3 weeks.
3 weeks? Some can't do with that.
You know what? You have exactly 2 weeks.
Boss, 2 weeks,
Don't
that's ridiculous.
boss me a box, son. You have 1 week.
Boss, 1 week cannot do it.
Don't boss me a box, son. You have 3 days.
Boss, hello?
Don't boss me a box, son. You have 24 hours.
No, man, boss. Boss? Hello?
Hey,
No, what?
I was here. I was here. Hey, Ali, let me look at it. All right? I'm not worried, I'm rich now, you know. I'm money, you know. Hey, if you not worried about that, you know, I'm rich out there. I mean, it was everything Chris found have money. Oh, what you see me now about money? But, hey, not 12 million here. Oh, you know that.
Mr. Bashment.
Can't give me the no.
Mr. Bashment, you lost some.
Can't give me the I can't believe this. Oh, we can't believe this.
What's up, Mr. Bashment, what's the problem?
Oh,
One,
me
two.
say, me go to a bank at Jamaica.
Yeah.
And me said to the bank manager, my mother want a new heart. So me borrow $12.5 million. The man don't make me sign nothing, just give me the money.
You get it?
And me bring the money, come put it inside there. I'm not know where it is. $12.5 million. Just a while ago, I was $12.5 million a year. I know me broke.
What you say, like $12.5 million here, you can't find it?
Me buy my mother heart.
Mr. Bashment, you sure?
Me sure, then I am in the V. Boy, me can't believe this. I cannot believe this.
Then, Mr. Bashment, you mean to tell me say you don't have $12.5 million and give it to your mother just to get her out?
Then I'm a mama.
And you say it's for your heart?
Happy heart, yes.
You know what? Go get your mother. Yeah, go for your mother and bring her and come right now, Mr. Bashment. Go on.
Go home, mother.
Yes.
You got help her?
Don't worry about that.
One mother coming up.
But I wonder if I see money, Jooky. But Jooky would not do that. But you know what? Better me take the money before Trevor ain't coming up.
No, don't tell me no. Don't tell me one shit. I will kill. Hey, don't tell me no. Fuck. Yo, Pops! Pops! Hey, Pops! If I catch my kid, hey, Pops! Yo! Pops! You know what? Oh. See it here. You're lucky. Blast still lucky. You send this here so you're lucky. Like, whoa.
empty?
He empty.
What are you there?
He empty.
Trev, I want to talk to you. Sit down now, let me talk to you.
He empty.
What you look for? Trev, I want to talk to you. I wonder. Empty. I wonder if my money I look for. You know, make sure to this money before we come back, you know, because I can't bother with him the lima. You know what? Better me put it back in the window.
I'm so bloody tired. Hi, cousin-in-law.
Oh, hi, cousin-in-law.
After all, we're family, ain't it?
Family, of course.
You don't mind me calling you cousin-in-law?
Oh, not at all.
So where is Trevor?
You know, Sam just left.
Wow. Why is he so busy? Each time I get to him, just leave. What is he doing?
But it look like Sammy and you will ask the same questions because I just can't keep a track of the man.
So why do you want to keep a track of him?
So why wouldn't I want to keep a track of him?
Anyway, don't worry about that. How about Grandma? How is she doing? And how is her aunt?
Well, the last time I heard Nora, not doing too well.
Wow. That's bad news for me, you know? Because I really want you to get back soon. She will have to be at my wedding. Naturally so.
Miss B getting married?
Of course, why not?
Give me a... Oh, you know what happened? Oh, that's nice, man.
So, it sounds like a surprise to you.
Yes, it's a surprise.
Trevor didn't tell you about it?
No.
Oh, that's part of him. He's so selfish.
Selfish?
Why is Trevor getting married to me and don't tell it to you?
We did. Miss B, where see a while ago?
Trevor is getting married to me and you don't know anything about it?
No, man, no. No.
Anyway, I've cooled it down. Don't worry. I will have you be the bridesmaid. Never mind. This place is so bloody hot, eh? I don't know how you stand to eat inside there. I'm gonna get myself a boat. You know what? I'm gonna install an air conditioner right here.
No. You need to get two because there is two of everything up in here.
Oh, I'm gonna get three.
Hey, girl, it's my last toast now up there.
Is that Trevor?
Oh no, Miss B.
Oh, it's that miserable.
Aye, where you think you go? Come back. Shebada.
Mom.
You didn't know say Miss B get married?
I want the backside, but dropping it now, man. Then is who she get married to?
My cousin.
Oh, so you know a long time.
Trevor?
Then your Trevor become your cousin.
Shebada. And guess what? I am going to be the bridesmaid.
No! You're not be no bridesmaid in Erica, girl. If you are bridesmaid, me a bridesmaid too.
You don't worry yourself, you know. Don't worry about it. I will have you be the best man.
Where you know about me, lady? It's the best man print for me. You know, grab the girl. If you grab her, I may help you. But you have to go pay me.
Angel, there is no boat soap in boat. Will you get me a boat soap, please?
Of course. Look in the kitchen and see dishwashing liquid. Grab the girl, yeah? Abba. I can't believe you make a senior sister beat you to the race. My girl, hurry up, I'm nervous. Yes, Baba, yes, I know.
Angel, I finished using the toilet. Will you flush it for me?
Little girl! Yeah, you know, friend? Yeah, I think so, me know. Woman, can you never tell me say get supervisor for janitor in the car? Shall cry. Oh, Lord. Poor thing here. Let me cheer you up, yeah, my friend. I know some always sing and cheer you up. No, never mind, yeah. She got your man and you can do Trevor, good up, wife! Trevor, wife!
I'm in the bathroom.
Anyway, me I go where me love. I wish you all the best, long life, and enough success. Bye, Trevor, cousin. No, you say you're unfair as a girl. And me, you have strength for. Let me tell you this. Anna Anthony Milk is a big old drummer roach.
Trevor, what?
I don't know. I see you. Hi, hello there. Oh. Hi. Trevor told me that I was here.
You know, I was just talking about you going to live alone.
Oh, yes, there.
Grandma, I know you're not feeling well because of your autism.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, my dear. Oh, my heart. Oh, my heart, my heart.
Oh, Grandma, you look like you're in a lot of pain.
A lot of pain, my dear. Lots of pain. Yes, dear.
You see, because of the pain that you're in,
Yes, dear.
I have something to give you.
You have something to give me? You're a nice girl. Yes.
Sweet. It's all your problem bag like you know when it's a grandma.
You know, I just surprised. You said you had something for me. And you know, I was so excited. What is it, dear?
Well, Grandma, that's the money for your aunt.
Oh, you're a nice girl. Trevor must marry you. I will see to it that Trevor marries you. You are so pretty. What goes around comes
Leave? Where are we going?
You would have done so. Who put the car on him and go get the house on him? That's to tell me.
Oh. Jooky, you talk about him? I have something to tell you.
Angel, tell me about the way. Let's go. Come, let's go.
You see the money when they give to me, take it and give her to fix her art.
You take what and give who?
Take wish.
Hey, yo. You don't see me and my girl a reason.
Take wish money. You wish granny. You fix wish art.
Listen to me. Don't want money when we normally have, but I give it to you 200 grand to fix her art.
Give me granny more.
Yeah. Don't push me, Trevor. Don't do it.
Hey, stop pushing me, man. Yeah. Oh, you been there? Take wish money. I'm going. Yo. Yeah, make us a fool. I don't make Jesus Christ.
Angel, who is this? Angel, who is this?
It's not Jesus Christ.
Who is this? I don't know you.
I don't make.
What's going on?
See you.
Yeah, I don't make Jesus Chrisst. Hey, Shebada. The girl take your money again, I'm going to kill you.
No, man! Okay, so what nice when you go over. Them I murder you.
I don't make Jesus Christ. I don't make. I go.
Trevor, I want to Trevor, man! Yeah, man, my teacher. Don't tell me for what, man. Are you at the formula?
I know all you are a traitor, huh? And all that is happening inside here, you are the next guest coming. Alpha Dog is going to get everything. Alpha Dog is coming. And I'm going to take that poor old lady to London and get her home. You're such an evil.
I want to
I'm going to
get
get you to London and get her home. Let her man. Don't worry yourself, huh? No, you're going to go to
You know what? Wait till Papa comes. Wait till Papa comes here.
Officer, what happened to you? Trevor, my grandson beat me.
Your grandson beat you for what?
He wanted to steal my money.
Just lock him up.
Your grandson beat you for our money?
Lock him up. I said to lock him up.
I ain't a bad boy, Trevor. I'm going where now?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You want to two teeth up here. What am I saying?
You know what my money?
Ask them for your money. Yeah, move. When I move, I'm going, man.
Hey. Me money.
Ask them feet, Trevor. Yeah.
Yo. Me I give you 3 for giving me money.
Trevor, you look your account. You're not bad, man. Where you give them? Trevor, I'm in the business.
Angel, go for the money me collect, because nobody now live with the same situation, you know. Everybody in there, you know. Hey, girl, move! Go, sir! My money.
What are we doing?
FBI, drop that!
FBI.
FBC?
Trevor, the girl of police is true. Me know a girl who use her body kid. She's a bit Trevor. Me can't get chance.
Hey, boy. At 3 years now, me I investigate you. You better bend up your knees and beg for your life.
But me,
Bend down.
Me must made it.
Go down.
I made.
Down.
Hey,
Finally, you buck. Wanna know what? Wanna know what the two of them both shot? The both shots. Let me move. You don't want no blood catch me.
You wanna give me a meal deal?
No.
Watch out! Hey boy, you can put that gun on my mouth.
me must say a police name was up on the line. Listen, me.
Hey boy, you love drink. I will run in them. You wanna get wicked, you're wicked. Watch out! Trevor, you're not gonna need this. The signal on the end.
Ashes to ashes! Dust to dust! I hear time on the ground, he shot him! Who shot him? Ready your boxer!
We would now like to welcome back on stage the members of cast once again. Our stage manager, Abigail Grant, the dumb girl. Officer Daffodil was played by Patrick Smith. Miss P was played by Ruth Samuels. The director for this show is Ted Jooky Jam Flash. Angel was played by Dainty Bellanfonte. The writer for this show is Garfield Reid, Bad Boy Trevor. Ladies and gentlemen, this play was written and directed with you in mind. Give yourself a wonderful round of applause. Put your hands together for our technical operator, John Isaacs, light and sound. We call him the veteran of theater. Put your hands together for Maxwell, Mr. Bashment Granny Grant. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Keith Ramsey, Shebada. We'd like to just say, take it down, John. We'd like to say thank you for your kind support and your patience. This has been the video shoot for Bashment Granny. On behalf of Stage's production, I'm Garfield Reid, saying thank you for making it Bashment Granny. Have a wonderful night.